All right, here we go. Tomos Sprint 1996. Not first. Well, yeah, kind of technically not. Also, kind of technically first startup. Yeah, that makes sense. Anyway, new piston rings, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Go for it, Andrew. Oh man.
Oh, that's kind of hard to kick down.
Come on, baby, come on.
Ignition on. First kick, maybe. You want to bet first kick?
Go for it. Oh my God! That was so easy. That's a nice idle. Let's go, brother. Let's go. It's alive, man. This is it. It's back. You want to put the side covers on? Dude. Hear the ping, see the smoke. You've been passed by a two-stroke. All right, let's put those side covers on and go for a joyride.